I've been told for a very long time to not put phones in water.
But Zadie Kruglov's dad recently caved in and let her do it anyway, and the results are pretty awesome.
I was at this resort and I was talking to my dad, and I remembered that the iPhone 13 can go underwater. So then I offered to take a couple shots on my dad's phone, and then turned out that the shots looked good.
Is this a first for you to be able to do underwater photography?
Yeah, pretty much.
And why do you like it?
I like it because it kind of shows the type of pictures that you can't really normally take, but you want to take when you're having fun.
Late model iPhones are water resistant, not waterproof, and Apple recommends that we don't do things like this. But it sure looks good, right?
Now, what I have found that when it gets wet, it does work, but it doesn't respond well. The touch screen, you basically have to dry it off to get it to do anything. Did you find that?
Yeah, we use the volume buttons to take pictures.
Okay, what about video?
With video, we would start above water and then go underneath.
Now, as I say, Apple recommends that you don't do this. And in fact, in their fine print says that these phones are resistant to accidental spills from common liquids such as soda, beer, coffee, tea, and juice. But to prevent liquid damage, you should avoid swimming or bathing with your iPhone. So that's a problem when people are spending $1,000 and more for an iPhone. But I mean, I love the results, but my recommendation would be buy an old used one and just use it for swimming. I would be uncomfortable using my personal and work phone for anything but. That, I think, is your best deal. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks, everyone, for watching.